Hello everyone, I am back with the topic of basic maths in physics. Previously we have discussed about trigonometric functions and also about different types of graphs. Today we are going to discuss about third type of graph basically, which is rectangular hyperbola, and its general equation is xy is equal to constant. Okay, now in this case we are taking constant as 1, so y will be inversely proportional to x. So now we will just put the values like in the table and then plot the graph. For example, when x is equal to 1, then y will also be 1. When x will be 2, then y will be 1 by 2, and similarly it goes on. So graph will be like this curved one. Okay, now one thing you must see that the graph does not touch the y-axis and it also does not touch the x-axis. It will not cut the x and y-axis. So we can also say that like the graph will cut the x-axis at infinity and it will cut the y-axis also at infinity. Infinity basically means here that we do not know at which point it will cut. Okay, and this is what I already said, x and y are inversely proportional to each other. Next type of graph comes is circle. Okay, and its general equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now here a is the radius of the circle. Okay, so at x-axis y will be 0, so x square plus 0 square is equal to a square, so x square equals a square, so x is equal to plus minus a. So coordinates will be a comma 0 minus a comma 0 as I have plotted here. Now at y-axis x will be 0. Similarly, so we will get the values of y is equal to plus minus a, 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. Like this I have plotted here. A is the radius of the circle in all the four sides. Let us see an example. Okay, so we have to plot the graph of x square plus y square is equal to 9. Now we will first convert into this into general equation. So it will be x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. Now here 3 will be the radius, so 3 units to the x in the positive x direction and negative x direction. Similarly in the positive y direction and negative y direction. So we plotted all the 4 points and then made a circle. Now next type of graphs comes is ellipse. Okay, its general equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a and b are constant. Let us see the first case where a is greater than b. Okay, so it will just be like we are taking a comma 0 minus a comma 0 and 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. See, these two will be a and these two lengths will be b. This b is smaller than a, so it is semi minor axis, and this whole axis is known as minor axis. Similarly, a is greater than b, so it is semi major axis, and this whole from a to a, or from minus a comma 0 to a comma 0, it is 2a, so it is major axis. Okay, now same thing comes here. At x-axis y is equal to 0, so x is equal to plus minus a, and at y-axis x will be 0, so y is equal to plus minus b. Okay, now let us see this example. This will help you to visualize better. X square by 16 square plus y square by 9 equals 1. So we will convert this into general equation. X square by 4 square plus y square by 3 square is equal to 1. So now here a will be 4 and b will be 3. We have plotted the points 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3 minus 0 comma minus 3. So this helps us to make an ellipse. Now let us see another case when b is greater than a. So we are taking the question as x square by 4 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Now we will convert this into general equation. X square by 2 square plus y square by 5 square is equal to 1. Okay, now since b is greater than a, now this axis will be now major axis and this one is smaller, so it will be minor axis. We have plotted the points 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 5, 0 comma minus 5. Now let's see one more case. This one is a special case. Okay, special case in ellipse. x square by 36 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. Now since 6 square gives us 36, so general equation will be x square by 6 square plus y square by 6 square is equal to 1. See, now both 6 is there, so we have plotted the point 6 comma 0, minus 6 comma 0, 0 comma 6 and 0 comma minus 6. So after connecting all these points, we get that it is forming a circle. So circle is basically a special case in ellipse only. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.